Hello, Paintball Magic here. We'll be going over a few steps for the Sidiom Link system, a web-based security system built like an attack and defense HUD. Okay, let's get on with the show. Find your Sidiom Link box and res it out. I'm going to go ahead and right-click on it, open, and then click on Copy to Inventory. Once you have everything copied to your inventory, you'll need to click on the box to register your account for the first time. A temporary password will be displayed in local chat unless your account is already registered. Next, you'll need to res the optional LAN key and deed the key to the land. The LAN key is required if you pay tier to a third party, like renters. If you're a manager and have group rights, then you'll need this LAN key. If you pay tier directly to Secondlife, then you do not need this LAN key. Now res the Sidiom server. Give it a few seconds to load up and pull the configuration data from the website, as well as the configuration note card. Right-click and edit the server to view the contents. Right-click and open the configuration note card at the top of the list. Most of these settings can be left as is, although it is recommended to set up your email settings at the top of the note card. The email system is a backup communications just in case the website goes down or it's down for maintenance. The settings below the email configuration are for the prim lag meter. Most businesses will not need to turn on the lag meter. It is mostly for private SIMs and or LANs that have high traffic areas and lag problems. Feel free to change the messages as they are customizable and also offers multi-language support. You will find your managers list and ignored list at the bottom of the note card. You can add as many as you like. The server also has a text dialog menu for communicating in the same SIM securely, as well as brings up a link to the website in your local chat. Here you'll log on to the Sidiom website. Enter your Secondlife name and the temporary password that was provided in local chat when you first clicked on the box. The first row is your servers. Again, you can have as many as you like. Default is to show all the servers at once, or you can click on a SIM name and filter it that way. Click the show link to bring up near real-time data for that specific SIM and or server. The system is form-based. Click on a button and it fills the form at the bottom of the page for you. Once the form is filled out, click the submit button to send the information to the servers. All of the buttons are stored within the server itself, which allows the customer to add their own custom buttons if they choose. Custom buttons can be added via the modifiable API script found within the server. At the bottom you'll see the form that needs to be filled out. You can either use the buttons to fill it out, or fill it out by hand. You can teleport directly to the server by clicking on the SIM name. Here I'll run through the process of selecting a server, a target, then a module, then sending it to all or one of the servers. We'll be using the rain module for testing purposes. To stop a module, press the End button on the website, then press Submit. Make sure you have the proper server selected. If not, you can always press the Send to All on the bottom of the page, and that will send to all servers. And as you can see, the module ended instantly. If you use the access system, you will have full control over that as well. The land access information is available via parcel details in the viewer itself. Same goes for the band system. Your band list will always be stored in the database. Thus it will maintain the access and band list on each parcel that you have a server on. No more jumping from SIM to SIM to keep your band list updated. The system will log up to 500 admin events, such as module launches and ban and access events. The visitor log will also store up to 500 visitors. You can also use the buttons on the left to fill out the form on the bottom to send commands to one or all of the servers. Records highlighted in yellow or red means that the avatar is using too much memory and may cause lag in the SIM. Your preferences are stored on the database as well. You can choose how many items you want to display on a page. In order to keep spam to a minimum, you can choose whether or not to receive messages while you're online. The system will not send messages while you're offline. Choose to notify an avatar before they are ejected. Optional partial scan only. Default to SIM wide. Choose to scan SIM wide or SIM wide, but only the parcels that the owner owns. The PrimLag scanner will scan for nearby laggy objects and/or avatars that have too many scripts on. Most of those settings are stored in the configuration note card in each server. You can also restrict the SIM or parcel to same group members only. The API script found within this server will show you how to receive commands from the website. Hope this instruction video has been informative, and thanks for your interest in the Sidiom Link server system.